Is this what I think it is? Oh my goodness, it finally got here from Pennsylvania. I ordered Hoya Thompsonii. Oh, my feet are showing. Let's unpack it. I already opened that part. And take some of it. This is just for the video. Okay. Woo. Nice. I guess it's thermal packed with this foam and extra stuffing. Nice. Okay, packaged very good. Taped down here really hard, and let's see how it traveled. Ooh, it's so cool. All right, it's a Hoya Thompsonii Splash
with a nose job.
Ooh, and they're so soft. All right, wish me luck growing this. Hey, here it is. Hoya Thompsonii Splash. Supposed to grow pink flowers. Look at that, pretty fuzzy. I hope I'll be able to keep my hands off this one. I can't. So soft. This Hoya I got on Mercari from Planty Vibes. Pretty reasonably priced for this size. All right, and it's winter down there, freezing cold in Pennsylvania, and she shipped it out. Thank you very much for making the trek out to the postal service to send it all the way to Florida. I think he'll be happier here in this climate where it stays warm most of the day, most of the year. All right, where it's nice and bright and sunny.